Okay, so I'm in the house with this repair here. This is all repaired. I know you can't see it, I'm sure. This is all smooth though. It's all drywall that was, there was a big hole cut here. And so I patched it up and feathered it out. And now I need to put this Homax Orange Peel on here to match what's already here. That feathering right there looks pretty good already. This side is a little thin. And it doesn't hurt to go way high, right? Because you're gonna have to paint this whole wall anyway. So in the blending process, feather it out even higher. And move back a little bit. If you move back a little bit, you'll get a sparse spattering. And boy, that's my biggest, what I'm looking for is this transition right here. And that looks really, really good. And this is on, set to the finest pattern and the lowest pressure of this can. Yep, that's nice. Wow, I didn't think I was going to get that that nicely feathered in, but it looks like it was meant to be there. All right, I got a couple more to do.